Hey guys, welcome to today's video. It's Thursday and that means it's another battle of the foundations. Today I'm trying out the VDL Perfect Lasting Foundation. Now I did get this from Ulta and it comes in 12 shades. I got the shade A03, which is a cool light medium beige. Light medium, so that makes sense. Costs $35 and you get 1.01 fluid ounces. I have not even swatched this to make sure it's the right color. Beautiful frosted glass bottle. And yes, a pump on it. All right, let me go ahead and read off what their claims are on this product. So VDL's flawless high coverage, perfect lasting foundation for up-close confidence, long-lasting without skin turning dull, and all the while smoothing and moisturizing the skin. The benefits are its light-fitting complex leaves the skin flawless. Flat cover pigment provides velvety smooth finish and covers skin in thin layers. Air pore powder provides, this doesn't make sense. I copied and pasted this, so I'm just going to read it the way they wrote it, okay? Air pore powder keeps makeup in place for long hours without clumping or smudging. Lumilayer pigment prevents skin from becoming dull from oxidation, and then it says no darkening effect. So doesn't say what skin types it's good for, doesn't say if it's full or medium coverage, just that it's long lasting. And yeah, okay, on the box, however, it does give a little more information. A lightweight liquid foundation with a natural matte finish and buildable medium to full coverage. For applications, this shake well before using, dispense 1 to 2 tablespoons, wow, that's a lot, of foundation to apply all over face and use a brush or fingertips. Well, I'm going to use a sponge today because, okay, I actually forgot that I had ordered this a long time ago, that I had pre-ordered it, but I don't know how many of you remember hearing about the super sponge. Tati was able to review it on her channel quite a few months ago. And I put an order in for it, and they said it wasn't going to be launching till June, so I just spaced and totally forgot about it. So it came in the mail today, so I thought, hey, great time. I'm going to be trying a new foundation. Let's try this new sponge out. Now, this sponge I got it for $19.95. They have a pre-order sale that's going on through, I think it's going to end by the time you guys get to see this video, because this is for next week. So anyway, it's normally $29.95. So why would anybody want to spend $30 on a makeup sponge when you can go get a beauty blender for $20 or a lot of the inexpensive ones for like $5 or less? Well, here are their claim to fame. So, save makeup, ditch germs. We've created the world's first sponge with a protective barrier that allows makeup to last 2 to 4 times longer while preventing any germs from seeping in. Super soft and super strong. Our breakthrough sponge is sourced from premium materials, so it feels marshmallow soft while being ultra strong. Bring clean into your routine. No more stained, smelly blenders. With our silicone-infused technology, you can scrub your sponge clean whenever it's ready for a wash. Scrubber is included, which hopefully you can see that's in the bag as well. Oh, the coverage. You like premium foundation, so do we. That's why our super sponge makes the most of it, allowing for 2 to 4 times more coverage. More coverage equals less spent on makeup. Yay! And we didn't stop with just coverage. The super sponge is long lasting and more sustainable, which means less money spent buying new makeup sponges and a lower carbon footprint. Less waste, less shipping, and cleaner oceans. So I want to take this out of the bag and show you guys what it looks like. Then I'll go get it wet and we'll take another look at it. So it does come sealed up in this bag. And, ooh, it's got little sparklies in it. So let's start with the little cleaning thing. So this is the little cleaning pad that they send. So it's got the little nubs on it. And now let's get focused on this because it's very unique looking. So it does have what appears to be little bits of glitter in it, kind of blue. And then it's got this bottom part I don't know what that's for. It feels the same all around. So I'm going to compare this to, this is my Juno sponge, and it's been wet already and used because I put my concealer on with it. So let's just compare the size right here. And keep a little picture of this because I'm going to go get it wet and we'll see what it looks like. All right, I am back and here's what it looks like expanded. So it's all wet. And again, we're going to compare the two sponges. Didn't get terribly big like this one did, but it's a good size. So the bottle or the package said to go ahead and shake this, so that's what I'm going to do. And then I'm going to squirt some out right here on my palette. Probably looks good. Let's see how it looks on my face though. Oh, okay, that'll work. Okay, I'm going to start with the Juno sponge first. And oops, let's get that hair out of the way. So I'm going to dip the sponge right into it. I think I just picked up way too much. It's got a clean scent to it. I also used to have their primer, and I don't remember getting rid of it, but I just could not find it anywhere. I'm going to take this down my neck since it's a little off from my color or right shade. Not easy when they only had, what, 12 shades of this available. Okay, now let's go in with the super sponge. It kind of reminds me of the silly sponge thing, that silicone one. Huh. I feel like I got better coverage on the Juno side, so let me add a little bit more. It's definitely harder. You don't get that cushion feel to it. I definitely feel like this side has a lot more luminosity showing through compared to this side. I just don't feel like you can get as much product directly on the sponge. Yeah, it's kind of hard to tell right now with the lighting the way it is, but this side looks so much more luminous than this side does. This is just a little bit more of a dyed down or dulled down luminosity, I should say. I like the finish of it though. Doesn't look all caked on like this side does, so I'm going to take that brush or sponge over onto this side of my face and really push it in there. It's giving a nice finish to it. Okay, so got my mirror. Let's go ahead and take a close-up look at this. Ooh. That looks really, really good. It really like pressed everything into my skin instead of like being on top of it. And I don't know if it's the foundation or the sponge, but so far I'm not creasing at all anywhere. I really like this side a lot better compared to this one. So let me go in just a little bit more of the foundation on this side so I can kind of match the finish on each one. Okay, guys, I really like this. Again, I don't know if it's the foundation or if it's the sponge, but the finish of it is phenomenal. So I'm going to give it a few minutes to dry down, and then we'll come back and I'll do the concealer and we will get a good close-up look on it, okay? Alright guys, I'm back and this is the finished look with the makeup, and I think this foundation looks so stunning. It looks so natural. It is creased again just the teeniest bit in there, but it looks beautiful. It's got a beautiful finish. So I don't know if it was the sponge that helped out or if it's the foundation itself. Either way, I don't care because I love it. I'll definitely be trying this a lot more and this a lot more too. So I just think it turned out so beautiful and natural looking. I love it. Just absolutely love it. So great combination. I will leave, of course, everything that I've used on my face listed down below. There is going to be a tutorial on this eye look coming up. So if you haven't subscribed to my channel yet, now's a great time to go ahead and hit that subscribe button along with the bell notification. That way you'll be notified when I upload new videos. That's every Tuesday, Thursday, and Saturday. And Thursday is always dedicated to a different foundation. I also have playlists on all my foundations, so I have just one that has all of the foundations I've reviewed, and then I have one broken down by drugstore products, and then one broken down by high-end. So feel free to go check those out. Now, if there's a foundation you'd like to see me review that I haven't tried, please leave me a comment down below. Leave me a comment below if you want to just say hi, or if you have any comments or questions on anything. So I love hearing from you guys. And of course, if you enjoyed the video, please give it a thumbs up. That helps me out an awful lot. Plus, it lets me know that you enjoy these types of videos. So until next time, as always, you guys, I love you all, and bye-bye.